Welcome back. Sankhli municipality lifted 6 kiosks from the vicinity of primary health centre at Sankhli on Friday. The kiosk owners claim that the move is politically motivated. They say that they should have been rehabilitated first and then removed.
Mining बंद पडल्या कारणा खातीर आपले कशे तरी रोजी रोटी चलयताले. आयज आमी तांकां इतले रिक्वेस्ट करून कावन्सिलान रिक्वेस्ट केले. कावन्सिलान नोट घातलो की तेंचेर इमिडिएट विचार करचो आनी तांकां दुसरो अल्टरनेटीव जागो दिवचो आनी मागीर काडपाचें हे सुद्दां नोट घातलेलो. तरी ताका कांय हें करच्या पयलीं सीओन आयज तांकां डेमोलिश ऑर्डर काडिल्ली आसा आनी हेजो हांव निश्चित करता एज एक्स कावन्सिलर की जे कोण तेंच्या रोजी रोटीचेर अशें करचें नासलें तांकां एक टायम दिवचो आसलो आनी तांकां एक अल्टरनेटीव जागो दिवचो आसलो आनी म्हाका दिसता हेतून कितें तरी पॉलिटिकल कितें तरी रिवेंज आसा असो हांव म्हाका दिसता.
आमी मायनींग एफेक्टेड लोक सद्या तरी आमी लोन काडून हे गाडयेर हांव बसयले कित्याक आमचे भुरगे बाळांक पोटाक कितें मेळचें पूण आयज आमची परिस्थिती तुमी अशें करून उडयले की आमी खंय वयचें आनी कितें करचें आमकां 1 म्हयन्याचो टायम दिल्लो आनी आमकां ऑलरेडी जागो दिवचो आसलो न्हू तेंच्यांनी काडले बरोबर दिवंक ना न्हू अजून आमी आतां कितें करपाचें
तुम्ही आमकां जागो दिया आमी काडटा पूण अजून पर्यंत आमकां दिना सर आमकां जागो आमच्या गाडी काडून व्हरपा लागले. तेंच्यान खंय जागो दिता पळय थंय हांव घालूंक तयार आहा पण आमचे पोटाचे पांय दिवपाचें ना आमचे कमी कमी 10-15 वर्सां जाले ते हांगासर केन्नाच चालू आहा म्हाजें त्या खातीर आमकां गरिबांक अशें करपाचें ना न्हू.
All India Football Federation is looking to provide all support to produce a competent Indian team for the FIFA Under-17 World Cup to be held in the country in 2017. Stepping up coach education, a 3-day workshop for academy coaches began at Margao on Friday morning. The FIFA workshop will enlighten the coaches on the latest philosophies followed across top academies in Europe.
A total of 19 coaches, including 13 from AIFF's academies, are taking part in the workshop.
The purpose here is to give the coaches the latest knowledge in terms of developing players, and as AIFF is running academies, and therefore it was long discussed that how we bring equip these coaches with the latest knowledge, and the whole purpose is here that with this interaction, with this workshop, they'll be able to gain the latest knowledge and how and then they can pass on this knowledge to the boys so that they can be taken better care of in terms of training, in terms of their development, and that's how they can reach to their potential.
Meanwhile, FC Goa scored a solitary goal victory over Vasco Sports Club in their final friendly match at Nehru Stadium ahead of Thursday's ISL opener. Former Arsenal star Robert Pires brought cheers to FC Goa camp with his goal from a penalty kick around the hour mark. Savio Dias for Prudent.
Goa Cricket Association is facing an inquiry into alleged financial and administrative lapses over the last 2 years. The 2-member inquiry committee appointed recently by the Registrar of Societies visited the GCA headquarters at Porvorim on Friday morning and started the investigation. The inquiry report has to be submitted to North District Registrar by 14 November.
BITS Pilani CMO Raghavendra KM and MAPSA-based chartered accountant Pradeep Lad began the investigation into the affairs of the Goa Cricket Association on Friday morning.
The Registrar of Societies received 2 complaints, one from the life member category and from the club related to Goa Cricket Association, administrative and financial irregularities. So we have been appointed by the district registrar. So we will be carrying out the investigation and reporting to him. So from today we want to start the investigations.
How many days?
We are asked to give the report by November 14th.
Since the investigating officers could not meet GCA Secretary Chetan Desai or President Badu Fadke at the GCA headquarters, The duo presented their requirements to GCA Treasurer Vilas Desai.
जवळजवळ 12:30 सुमार इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन ऑफिसर आयले हांगा मिस्टर प्रदीप लाड आणि राघवेंद्रियम तांणी लेटर दिलें की मीन्स ही हॅज गॉट अ ऑर्डर फ्रॉम रजिस्ट्रार इश्यूड बाय द डिस्ट्रिक्ट रजिस्ट्रार रिगार्डिंग फायनान्शियल इरेग्युलरिटीज अँड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह लॅप्सीस. So I have already accepted on behalf of Goa Cricket Association, and I will try my level best to cooperate with them along with my all staff. आणि सांगला की he wants accounts for the last 5 financial years. दुसरे ताणी सांगला की मॅनेजिंग कमिटीचे मिनिट्स बुक, सब कमिटीचे आणि AGMचे मिनिट्स बुक, लाईफ मेंबराची लिस्ट, मागीर क्लबाची लिस्ट, अशें ताणी 6 रिक्वायरमेंट दिल्यात. So most probably all we can provide them. There is no issue for that.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.